Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get the N41 5G band on your T-Mobile home internet setup so you can enjoy faster speeds and better coverage. If your T-Mobile home internet isn't reaching full 5G speeds, it's often because your gateway isn't connecting to the N41 band, which is the mid-band spectrum T-Mobile uses for faster, more stable connections. Many users notice slower downloads, buffering, or inconsistent speeds even when coverage seems strong. Don't worry, I'll explain how to check for N41 compatibility, optimize your setup, and improve your connections so you can get the best speed possible. Here's how you can solve it. Step 1. Check your gateway model. Make sure your T-Mobile gateway supports N41. Most current 5G home gateways like the T-Mobile 5G gateway and T-Mobile home internet gateway support N41, but older models may only connect to 4G LTE or other bands. Step 2. Update firmware. Log into your gateway's dashboard and check for firmware updates. Updated firmware can unlock better band selection and improve overall speed. Step 3. Optimize gateway placement. Place the gateway near a window or central location in your home. Avoid basements, corners, or areas surrounded by metal. Mid-band signals perform better when the line of sight is clear. Step 4. Enable 5G band selection if available. Some gateways allow you to prioritize 5G mid-band connections in settings. Check your gateway dashboard for band selection or network preferences and select 5G preferred or auto to allow N41 connection. If your gateway only connects to low-band 5G like N71, adjusting the placement or settings often helps it detect N41 automatically. Step 5. Check signal strength and connection. Use the gateway dashboard to check which bands your device is connected to. Step 6. Consider a 5G signal booster. If N41 isn't showing up consistently, a T-Mobile compatible 5G signal booster or external antenna can strengthen mid-band reception and improve speed. Important notes. N41 availability depends on your location. Some areas may not have 5G mid-band coverage yet. Gateway placement and obstacles inside your home can affect mid-band reception. Always use official T-Mobile firmware and devices for best performance. And that's it. These steps should help your T-Mobile home internet connect to the N41 band for faster, more reliable 5G speeds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick home internet tips.